Imagine this scenario. A project team is in the throes of development, deadlines are looming, and the question arises, when should we start test automation? This question is a common struggle that many project teams grapple with. After all, test automation is not just a switch you flip on when you're ready, it's a journey, a process that requires strategic planning and consideration. So, how do you determine the right time to embark on this journey? It is recommended that test automation should start as soon as possible. But rushing into it without a clear plan can lead to more issues down the line. On the other hand, waiting too long to automate can result in a backlog of tests that need to be automated and a delay in project delivery. This is why it's crucial to have an automation test strategy in place. A well-thought-out strategy can guide you through the process, helping you determine when and where to start automating. It's not just about when to start, but also what to automate first and how to go about it. Remember, automation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every project is unique with its own set of challenges and requirements. What works for one project may not work for another. Therefore, your strategy should be tailored to the specific needs of your project. Bear in mind that a premature plunge into automation can lead to wasted effort and resources. For instance, if the system under test is not stable, or if the requirements are constantly changing, your automated tests could become obsolete before they even get a chance to be useful. Conversely, delaying automation can lead to a mountain of manual tests that are time-consuming and prone to human error. This could slow down your project and increase the risk of bugs slipping through. So, it's about finding that sweet spot. It's about understanding your project's specific needs and constraints, and making informed decisions based on them. So the question remains, when is the right time to dive into test automation? Industry experts have weighed in on this pressing question, and their insights may surprise you. The when of starting test automation is a topic that has sparked quite a bit of debate in the tech industry. On one side of the aisle, we have proponents of the early bird approach. They argue that the sooner you start automating your tests, the better. This school of thought emphasizes the benefits of catching issues early on in the development process, reducing the risk of costly and time-consuming fixes down the line. Early automation also means more time to refine and perfect your tests, leading to more reliable results. However, not all experts agree with this strategy. Some suggest that it's best to wait until certain project milestones have been reached before diving into automation. They argue that an early start could lead to wasted effort if the project changes direction or if critical features have not yet been fully defined. Plus, they point out that manual testing can provide valuable insights and help shape the automation strategy. A third group of experts advocate for a more flexible, context-dependent approach. They believe that the timing of test automation should be dictated by the unique circumstances of each project. Factors like the complexity of the project, the stability of the features, and the skills of the team should all be considered. The debate doesn't stop at timing. Some experts emphasize the importance of what to automate first. They suggest that stable areas, such as APIs, should be the initial focus of automation, especially if the user interface is prone to change. This way, the automation efforts can yield immediate benefits while minimizing the risk of rework. Finally, several experts stress the importance of choosing an automation tool that can seamlessly integrate with your project management system. This can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your automation efforts, providing a more holistic view of the project's progress. As you can see, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but there are some common themes that can guide your decision. One common suggestion among experts is to focus on stable areas first, such as APIs, especially if the UI is constantly changing. Why is this, you may ask? Well, it's quite simple. APIs are generally less prone to frequent changes than user interfaces. This stability makes them an ideal starting point for automation. When you automate API testing, you're essentially ensuring that the core functionality of your software remains intact, even as the UI evolves. This is a smart strategy that saves time and resources, and significantly reduces the risk of errors in your product. But remember, automation doesn't exist in a vacuum. It needs to be integrated into your project management system to realize its full potential. This is where the right automation tool comes into play. A good tool should not only automate tests, but also seamlessly integrate with your project management system. This integration streamlines the process, allowing for efficient tracking, reporting, and collaboration. Imagine being able to view, manage, and assess your automation efforts directly from your project management dashboard. You can track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions all in real time. This integration can make your team more productive and your processes more efficient. In conclusion, starting with stable areas like APIs and integrating automation into your project management system is not just a smart move, it's a game changer. Choosing the right tool and focusing on stable areas can set your project up for successful test automation. While we've shed some light on when to start test automation, there's so much more to explore. The journey doesn't end here. We'll be diving into how to choose the right automation tools that best suit your project needs and building an effective automation team to execute your strategy. And of course, we can't forget about maintaining your automation suite over time, a critical aspect often overlooked. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we delve deeper into these topics, helping you navigate the exciting world of test automation.